So we have Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. We're going to go over the slip rear uppercut, okay? Again, or you can weave either way. I don't just slip or weave just to do it, just to make a miss. I always counterattack at the same time, or else I'm just, in my opinion, it's a waste of energy, okay? And, you know, it's my opinion, so don't say I'm 100% right on that. Some people just love to slip, 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 you know, make them tired. That's cool too. So he's jabbing, slipping, okay? Out of the line. Slip. Now here, uppercut. Okay? Notice how I'm passing underneath here. We can also go to the body. Okay? Right here. Now if we want to weave, body. Okay? Weave, uppercut to the face. I'm just taking my head out of the line, okay? Notice how when I slip, I'm charging my body up for the uppercut. Weave. You'll notice it feels very safe. Okay, I'm coming out. Here. Now look at that opening. Okay, you don't have to make your uppercut straight up. I can actually get it a little bit angle in there, okay? But again, to the body. Here. This is very powerful, okay? We're going right to their spleen. Hands up when you slip. Hands up when you slip. I do not like the slipping with the hands down. This is in case something goes wrong. What if he fakes me out? See? Hands up. One of the most important parts, guys. Keep those hands glued up here, protecting your body, protecting your face.